got a big book about the Olympics. I got 4 years. I've got 4 years, there's gonna be another Olympics, right? So I got a deadline on my goal. That gives me urgency. There's no time to waste. There's already all these East Germans that are good at my sport. I don't even know what sport it is. I mean, think about that. A bad situation, okay? I got this big book. I started going through the list of the summer sports, just like you. After 5 minutes, I realized, man, you gotta be a super athlete to do any of this stuff. There's no way. I mean, you gotta be able to jump over houses and lift cars and run 100 miles an hour. I couldn't do any of that stuff. So I got down. And then I started looking at the list of the Winter Games. As I'm looking at that list, the analytical side of my brain kicked in. And I started thinking, hey, I'm about to put together a plan here for the next 4 years. It probably would make sense to base the plan on my strengths. My strength's not athleticism. I'm just okay athlete. My strength's perseverance. I'm bulldog, remember? And so I thought, I gotta find a sport that's so tough, a sport's got so many broken bones in it, there'd be a lot of quitters, right? Only I won't quit. I'll make it to the top on the attrition rate. I mean, that's my whole plan. Yeah. I'm serious, guys. That's exactly what I did. Now I'm looking for tough sports. Ski jump, bobsled, luge. I lived in Houston, Texas. Okay? Hot, humid, flat, sticky, Houston, Texas. I never skied before. So forget ski jump. That'd have been suicide, right? Bobsled. Who are you gonna find 3 other nuts in Houston who want to do bobsled? I mean, gotta go to Jamaica for that, right? No, those guys are cool. I mean, I respect them big time. I'll tell you about them later. And if I forget, Jamaica bobsledders, okay? I got 5 hours of material, lots of stories for so many, seriously, because I got so many, so many things have happened over the years. And they're all stories that illustrate, the common themes that you see in meetings. But Jamaican bobsledders is a good one. So that left the luge. I'd never even seen the luge on TV at that point in my life. If I'd have seen what you guys just saw in that video, no way I'm doing that. I mean, that's crazy. I mean, I just had a little picture of a guy on a luge. I thought, that looks really tough. That's the one for me. That's how I picked my sport. I didn't even know where the track was. So what do? Well, got to find somebody that knows, right? Well, no one in Houston's going to know. Sports Illustrated should know. It's their job to know sports, right? So I wrote them a letter. It's a really short letter, but a really good letter. Where do you go learn how to luge? Signed, Ruben. Yeah, bottom line, don't waste people's time. They actually wrote back. They said, Lake Placid, New York. That's where the track is. So I called Lake Placid. I'm an athlete here in Houston. I want to learn how to luge, so I'm in the Olympics in 4 years. Will you help me? You got to ask for help. You can't do it all by yourself. You got to ask for help. And you got to teach your kids to ask for help. You do. Don't let that pride thing get in the way. The heck with the pride thing. Just ask for help. People want to help. They do. It's ingrained. People want to be helpful. And if you want to do anything big, whatever it is, okay, you just go to somebody that's already doing it. And they'll be happy to tell you, because successful people like to talk about success. You're not wasting their time. You're not. You're giving them a chance to create their own ripple effect and create a legacy. Once you start succeeding, they can say, I showed her back when. I knew her back then. And look what we did together. She did most of the work, but I kind of guided her.